Hello friends, my name is Alea of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video we have some hook mail, crochet related mail, exciting stuff here today, and maybe some knitting needles. If you like yarn and crochet related content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and tell me down below which one was your favorite. I would love to know. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at cozycrochet.co, and also if you would like to support the channel, buy me a coffee. All right, so let's get into what I got in the mail. Now before we get started, this pattern is the 6-day cardigan by Betty McKnit. I will link it down below. I love this thing. I wear it every single time I get a chance to. It's perfect. It's like this this yarn is Premier Puzzle yarn, and I forgot the color. But I absolutely love this cardigan, and it worked out fairly nicely. I do have, as you can see, enough yarn to make a few more. So I am so excited. I just opened it because I wanted to save time because I feel like when I come on here and do unboxings, I'm just like fiddling with the box. So I went ahead and opened it, but I have not opened it. Anyway, so we got something from Furls. This is the first time I'm ever purchasing something from Furls and not secondhand. And my receipt, and we have the hooks. I got 2 hooks, and I can say these are packaged really nicely, very secure. Is there anything else in the box? Always gotta make sure. Nope. Okay. All right. So oh, okay, so they don't say which is which. That's fine. So this is what the boxes looks like. So cute. I got the streamline. Okay. Oh, okay, so like if you put the boxes together, I'm probably not gonna keep the boxes. Well, maybe, I don't know. Oh, it says I love my furls, lovingly made by hand in India. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna do this one, and I do see where it says wait, open other end. So I'm gonna open the other end. Let's see what we have. Oh, oh my goodness. I think this is one of the swirl ones. I forgot exactly. Oh, I got a 10mm. Oh my goodness. This is nice. I've never had a Furls resin hook before. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god, it feels really nice. So let's compare it to one of the other hooks like this. All right, so y'all know I rep Ofire. I was saying her name wrong, her company name wrong. It's Ofire, not Ofair. Anyway, and a lot of you want to know if they look the same to Furls. So it's so pretty. Both of them are gorgeous hooks. This is kind of how they compare body wise, right? So the Furls is a little bit longer. Still both really gorgeous. And this is how both of them look like hook wise. Isn't that gorgeous? So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And as you know, with all my handmade hooks, I always check them, and this is a 10. This is definitely a 10mm. So it just feels so, I don't even want to let this go. This feels so nice. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's so nice. Okay, let's check out the next one. These are like, you know when you go to the grocery store and you get like those little mystery things from the gumball machine? That's how I feel. Like, what will I get next? Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, stop. This is absolutely gorgeous. I forgot. Oh my gosh. Where's my receipt? So I found my receipt. Cause I was like, what is this? What are these? Okay. So this is the Capricorn Streamlined Zodiac crochet hook. Nice. This one is so gorgeous because Furls actually had a sale where you get like 20% off of their Zodiac collection, and I got Capricorn. And then like as I was checking out, they was like, oh, do you want this crochet hook for $10? And I was like, yes. So that's kind of what happened. But oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous and so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm actually trying to get on the what's it called? I'm trying to get on the affiliate link for Furls, so wish me luck. But yes, look at it. Oh my gosh. It is so, like, look at those, that sparkle. And I got this in a 6mm. This is so pretty. It's so gorgeous. All right. That was very exciting. So I did go to Hobby Lobby today, and I wanted to see if they had anything else on sale. Everything's gone. But I did see some knitting needles. Each one of these knitting needles was $1.49, and they're from Knitter's Pride. They're the bamboo charm knitting needles, and you do need the cords. The cords don't come with them. I got 10mm, 8mm, and 6mm to go with these. So yeah. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you would like to support the channel, buy me a coffee. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.